Everyone, okie dokie. So, best foundations 2024 in no particular bloody order. First one, NARS. This is their matte, the soft matte. If you're looking for a matte foundation with medium coverage, this is it. It really is matte. Even if you apply a luminous moisturizer, this will come out pretty matte. So it's a really good product. NARS Face and Body. This is the Studio Radiance. Truthfully speaking, just buy the original. You can get the original in huge ones for a fraction of the price. Just buy the original, but Face and Body is really good. This is a palette from SENNA. It's great. It's a cream to powder formula that has a light to medium coverage. It's great. It comes in various shades. This is the light to medium palette, but it is beautiful. So this is my palette that's been depotted and it's a bit dirty, but this is Pressed Mineral Foundations by, I've forgotten the, Jane Iredale. So if you're looking for a pressed formula, this is really good. A couple of NARS here again, actually many NARS ones. So the first one is the light reflecting one, probably one of my favorites. It has a light to medium coverage on it, depending on how you use it. It's really light reflective. Again, for light to medium coverage, Sheer Glow Foundation is amazing. And for those of you that want a fuller coverage from NARS, you've got the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, which offers medium to full coverage. Beautiful, but I prefer the other two. Laura Mercier here. This is Real Flawless. I love this. It is so beautiful on the skin, offering light to medium coverage. It looks like skin. Here we go. Double wear. It's amazing. It's still one of the best foundations. It's not heavy at all if you only apply a tiny bit. This is a great palette from MAQPRO in Paris. These are wax-based foundations and they last forever, basically. Patrick Tarr here, his duo products, which is the cream and the powder. Now, I love these, but I would have rather he just got rid of the powder and you had the cream because it is amazing, offering light to medium coverage. This is a great one from DCYPHER, and this is a custom-made foundation for your skin tone. I did 2 of these and they got the match exactly right. So it's amazing. Laura Mercier here. This is the Tinted Moisturizer. It's iconic for a reason. It's amazing. I actually think this has light to medium coverage, but some may think I'm wrong, but it's really wonderful. Finally, RCMA, one of the best for cream foundations. It is amazing, holy grail stuff. It really is. Next, we've got Merit, which is one of my favorite brands. This is their complexion stick, and this stuff is light coverage that is holy grail stuff. This is medium coverage, and this is the beautiful WESTMAN Atelier. Costs a bomb, but is absolutely lovely. It really needs an emollient base under it, otherwise it can look quite heavy. ILIA, this is their matte version. I'm going to push this all the way up so you can see how much you get. So you actually get a decent amount here, and it's a really good product. It is matte, but it's not metamorphic in nature, so it does actually come out matte to satin matte, depending on the product underneath the skin. And finally, William Tuttle. This is an oldie but a goodie. And this is their cream foundation. It is incredibly emollient and glass-like on the skin. And that is the best foundations of 2024. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.